Good morning. 22 News Storm Team weather alert in effect for the potential for strong to even severe thunderstorms late this afternoon. In the morning, just isolated rain showers. I do not want you to worry about the morning hours. Right now in Springfield, nice and dry. Let's get right to the 22 News Storm Team forecast focus. So this morning, isolated late rain. The strong to potentially severe thunderstorm potential is right around 2 to 5 o'clock. The farther west you are, the earlier. The farther east you are, the later. Going into tonight, so what's causing all of this mess is actually a very strong cold front. So after this, temperature is rapidly dropping off, so there could even be some evening snow in the western hill towns over the Berkshires and farther north like over Franklin County. All right, let's cover highs for today. Munson 65, 66 in Springfield and Southwick, and Tallinn 60. Hampshire County high temperature 60s as well, mid 60s Hadley, Pelham and Ware, 60 in Cummington. Franklin County high temperatures today, Rowe 59, 62 Buckland, 63 Whately and 63 degrees in Wendell. And as we go over to the Berkshires, highs in the upper 50s and low 60s there. Obviously, I really want to focus on the storm timing for today. So the morning, not a problem. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll even have some partial sun. The day is actually going to start nice. Just a chance for some hit or miss isolated light rain showers this morning. At noontime, you can see some scattered rain. This is the line we're really concerned about for later this afternoon. So watch as it tracks to the east. Look how rapidly it strengthens here. So the highest threat for a strong to severe thunderstorm would be over Berkshire County. This is where the thunderstorm is going to be the strongest. There it is over Berkshire County at 2 o'clock. As it tracks to the east from 3, 4, and 5 o'clock, this is going to weaken just a little bit, but still the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon all across western Massachusetts. Watch what happens after this. There's just a chance for some spotty light scattered rain this evening for us in the valley. But remember, this is a cold front tracking through, so temperatures rapidly dropping off. So we're talking 5, 6 o'clock. We could actually see the change from strong to potentially severe thunderstorms to snow over the Berkshires. And that could continue over portions of Franklin County as well. So 8 o'clock in the valley, just scattered rain, but farther north, farther west, a little bit of snow. And snow will continue overnight on and off in the Berkshires. And we may even have some flurries or some isolated light snow as we go into the rest of Thursday over the Berkshires. For us in the valley, nothing to worry about. So severe risk categories. This is straight from the Storm Prediction Center. So here in western Massachusetts for today, 5 potential severe weather threat levels. Today for us here in western Massachusetts, we are at a threat level number 2. So 2 out of 5 severe weather threat. The biggest threat is for localized damaging wind gusts with a lower threat for hail. Still can't rule hail out. Really, the highest threat for today would be those potentially damaging wind gusts as that line of stronger thunderstorms tracks from the west to the east from 2 to 5 o'clock. So do watch out for that. Overnight tonight, though, once all the bad weather is over with, we are going to be mainly dry except for some scattered snow over the Berkshires and cold and still breezy. It will be breezy throughout the day, not to mention during that 2 to 5 p.m. period. Overnight lows near 30. So tomorrow morning is going to be cold. Tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 40s for highs, and we could see wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour tomorrow. 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast. Bright breezy on Friday, 59. Saturday, really nice, partly sunny, 68. And Sunday, not as nice, wet, 57. Monday, bright breezy, 60. And Tuesday, up to 67. Don't forget, you can continue to track the radar forecast discussion. You can read more details on the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms later this afternoon. You can get that info at our website at wwlp.com and on the 22 News app.